ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ വായിച്ചു തരുന്നത് ചാപ്റ്റർ 12 ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റീവ് ഫോംസ് അഡീഷണൽ സയൻസ് ഫോർ FR, VR, etc. Exercise 45. Dear Sir, I believe you are proposing to buy some house property in Beverly. If this is so, I shall be pleased to call and show you details of Beverly House and Crowther Grange and other desirable houses which I wish you would look over. If you will tell me just what you desire, I think I can suit you. I shall, however, leave all details till I see you. If it is largely a case of low price, as I gather it is, I know I can offer you value equal to any and with early delivery of the premises in all cases. I specialize in valuation business and this brings me into touch with just the right people for your purpose. Yours faithfully.